Well, hello guys. It is September the 26th. It's probably about 1:30 in the afternoon. But guess what? Welcome back to another video. Guys, guess what? I just got out of the bathtub. OMG. I stayed in here for maybe an hour. It felt so good. Y'all, when I say it ain't nothing like taking care of yourself, rewarding yourself for time in the bathroom, ooh, to pamper your skin. It is truly, truly amazing. Like, it really is. So, I was in here, and tell me y'all in the comments, do y'all do this? Now, the temper has changed, so sometimes I have been putting on my oven and my eyes to warm the house instead of turning on the actual furnace. So I had candles. You can see here, I lit my candle that I got for the gift. And guess what, y'all? Look, I even bought the big house in here for some extra heat. So let me know in the comments, do y'all do that? Do y'all light it up in the bathroom or what? But it's actually like really, really cold. So not cold like that, but it's chilly since the temperature has changed. So yeah. Just wanted to open up the video to tell you guys good morning. I probably will show you guys outfit of the day later, but I gotta put on my sweater. But anyway, what I was saying, the bathroom, it be so warm and beautiful. Like, it feels so warming and calm and everything that it just makes you not even want to come out. You know what I mean? So yeah, I hope you all are having a great day. So we're gonna finish up this video in the bedroom. Thanks for tuning in for another video. All right, guys, I'm back real quick. Guys, I know y'all gonna be like, Sonia, you lied to us. She lied to us. But let me explain something to y'all. She never lies. It's just some things that God does that we can't even explain. I'm gonna share that with y'all later. A blessing that I got from just telling y'all the other day about doing good for others, blessing others, you know, how it comes back. But I put on my blue now, and I'm going to be using this, what did we say this was? Compared to, y'all? I can't even remember. This is a version of something. If you watch my last video, I think I mentioned it. But just want to put on something. I do plan on going out today, getting out for a little while, doing some things. I don't know if I bring you guys along, but she will be doing that. But, yeah, guys, I got something to show y'all. Y'all gonna be like, oh, Sonia, what'd you tell us like the other day? But totally a blessing. I mean, totally a blessing. So yeah, we're gonna go outside in a minute. I'm gonna show you how it looks out there. It's so crisp, but it's nice. It's like, I'm gonna say maybe 60. It's like 60, probably 68 degrees, y'all. It's a little windy and stuff, but yeah. This is, if you guys want to see outfit of the day, I'll bring you guys right here. This is outfit of the day, guys. I got on my army green cardigan with my t-shirt. Y'all know I love this t-shirt. With my fake Gucci. Yeah, black and bougie, which she's not bougie, but she's black. And I got on my jeans. And I got some tan boots out there with the zippers on them. So yeah, outfit of the day. Very casual, very simple, very chic. So hold the line, please, you guys. Y'all listen to this. Just listen to the breeze. You see the leaves changing colors? Guys, how can you not believe there is not a God? Look at this. Oh my goodness. You can't tell me there is no God. Oh my gosh. And it was very windy. The chair blew off. Guys, today is a day of abundance. Look at that. I'm just sitting here enjoying it all, y'all. It feels so good out here. Got my new cup. Y'all, I have been drinking out my cup. I have. Got my pumpkin spice coffee creamer. Go follow me. She did a video, Simply Black Vegan. But guys, I just wanted to show you guys. Read Psalms 34. Exalt in the Lord. He hear you. Cry out to him. He can hear you. He can rescue you. Yes, he can. Look at this. Look at this. This is the beauty of the Father. You can't ask for nothing more than that. Yes, Lord. I'll see you guys inside. I just wanted to give you guys a little taste of what I partake in every day. Be blessed, guys. Hold the line, please. All right, guys. I know I mentioned to you guys Psalms 34, but I don't know if everybody's going to read it, so I'm going to read it for you. So, guys, grab your coffee, your tea. Just grab whatever, okay? There might be people here that just don't have a Bible, so I'm just going to read it for you instead of me telling you about it. Okay. Psalms 34. I will exalt the Lord at all times. His praise will always be on my lips. My soul will boast in the Lord. Let the afflicted hear and rejoice. Glorify the Lord with me. Let us exalt his name together. I sought the Lord and he answered me. He delivered me out of all my fears, y'all. He will deliver you from out of all your fears. Fear not and trust him. Those who look to him are radiant. Do y'all hear that? Those who look to the Father for guidance, for help, for answers are radiant. They are radiant. Their faces are never covered with shame. Why be shameful? Why? Oh my gosh. This poor man called and the Lord heard him. Guys, whatever you need him for, whatever you're looking for, cry out to him. He hears you. He hears your cries. He hears your sorrow. He hears your pain. Okay? He saved him out of all his troubles. Okay? I'm reading the word. This is Psalms 34. Yeah. Okay, guys? That's all I have for y'all. So, let's take a drink. Hope you guys enjoyed tea time, and always remember, love yourself so that you'll be able to love others. So this world will be a much better place, guys. Whatever it is that you need or you're looking for, he has it for us. I don't care how hard it gets. I don't care what you're going through. Listen to me and look at me. I don't care how hard it gets or what you're going through. He sees, he hears, and he rescues. I'll see you guys. Please remember to love yourself. And also, I will see you guys on the other side because I got something to show y'all. So hold the line. I'll see you guys a little later. All right, beautiful family. Let's just get into it. So, for all of you that are new here, welcome back to Simply Natural Black Life. Guys, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. It's a channel of fun, simple life, just a invigorating lifestyle, a beautiful, abundant-ful lifestyle. So guys, remember the other day how I spoke with you and told y'all all that I was not doing any more Goodwill hauls or any hauls because I wasn't going to be doing any thrifting or anything, right? I just told you this last week. I'm going to show you how good God is. I wasn't expecting anything for doing something. It just manifested itself. So, sorry y'all, my nose is running a little bit. So what ended up happening is someone needed some help. I think I told you I would help somebody. That's the only way I would when I get money exchange or whatever. So I give them money, excuse me, to take care of something. So I guess the area they were in that take care of something, they had money left over. And they said they were going somewhere and they were going to go get something or whatever. First they were asking me, did I want to go? And I'm like, no, because I think I spoke and said I didn't want to do any more thrifting or spend any more money on hauls or whatnot because I have enough. But I just told you guys, only one thing I probably was looking for or whatever that I was going to shop my home. I still could use it, but I stored it away. But anyway, I'm just going to show you guys what this person picked me up from the Goodwill, okay? So I did not lie to y'all, guys. I told you time and time again. I do not tell lies. Like, I'm a very truthful person. I try to be as truthful as possible. Like, you will be exposed if you're a liar, and I'm not a liar. I'm not good at lies, so yeah. I'm just gonna show you the 3 things that I picked up, and I'm thinking like, they really know me. Guys, look at this. Do you guys see this? This is a round tray that has like 3 foot in white. It's like a washed, weathered gray wash. This is Sonoma Lifestyles, and this is called This is by Sonoma Lifestyle. It's called Greenhouse. And it's some type of tray. If you can see, it says Sonoma. It's some type of tray, but it has like really, really big, nice carving on it. I told you I wanted to find something to put my perfumes on. This is what I'm going to use to put my perfumes on. Guys, how ironic is that? So cute. So, you guys know I have been looking and looking and looking. Well, maybe you don't know. I like t-shirts, but I was only wanting like a t-shirt to match my Adidas joggers that I have that I ended up thrifting like months ago. They're gray and black and white. I think they have white stripes. Guys, look what they give me. Look at this. I have a gray and black Adidas 100% cotton t-shirt. Oh my gosh, y'all. Oh my gosh, now I can really wear my Adidas tennis shoes with my top and my matching pants, okay? Guys, I'm so grateful for that. And I think she said this stuff was $10. Y'all, this is last, but this is like, this here I could not really believe. What they got. Guys, look at this. Do y'all see this? Oh my goodness. Let me scoot you over. Do y'all see this? It's so big. This is a pot. This is a plant pot. It's very deep engravings on it. Look at that pattern, like a tribal. It matches my style, everything. So I think I'm gonna put it in the living room on the floor, but this is beautiful. Guys, this was $6.19. If you guys can see, $6.19. And it came from, what is this? This came from Home Goods. It was $16.99. I don't know if you guys will be able to see that, but yeah, look at that. It is beautiful. So guys, I got this big old heavy thing here. There's no cracks in it or nothing. Got that. My Adidas t-shirt. Oh my God, it was like, kidding me. And this tray. So I will show you guys where I'm gonna put this stuff. I'm super, super happy. Like, I just spoke upon this that y'all, this was not me at all. This was not me. I can't take no credit for this. But I just wanted to show y'all. I just wanted to show you guys. So guys, I will show you all shortly where I'm gonna be placing. Look at these things here. Where am I placing these things? All right? Hold the line, please.